Good morning, traders. Welcome to today's market review. This is Fred Razak at CMTrading. Today is May 11th, 2015, and today is Monday morning. So going off of last week's NFP number from Friday, some positive news for the U.S. markets, and the markets reacted accordingly. We could go and discuss it just further, but before we do that, just going over today's economic calendar, we have at 1 o'clock a MPC number rate coming out of GBP. It's more of an inflationary number, but we could keep it up on the radar, just as something as it may develop into something later on this week. Looking at the markets, how they reacted, let's first start with the Dow Jones. Dow Jones trading at 18,111 on the top of the range, as you could see here on a daily chart. I believe it's going to take it higher. Okay, I believe this is a big bar, and it's really going to have an effect. We just want to see if there's going to be a follow through this week, and are we going to finally test new highs in the Dow Jones? And instead of 18,200, are we going to get up to 18,500? That's really what I want to see as we break out higher. The stocks in the U.S. have been breaking out higher, and things have been coming along. So a big day for the Dow Jones, as you can see here on Friday. We just tapered off at 18,120. But as you can see in the red lines here, these are pivotal points. These are, the top point is a resistance level, and the bottom point is a support level. And as you can see, we're testing these resistance level once again, and we're trying to break out higher. So you're going to keep it on your radar to see if we do break out higher today. Looking at the Euro USD, USD sold off a little bit from 113 to 111. That's a 200 and some odd pip move. Are we going to go higher in it? Well, we may just bounce a little bit the next couple of days. I would expect as the week progresses for the trades to get a little bit more volatile. A potential support level is 110.90-ish, I would say. Potential resistance is 112-ish, and anywhere in between that. So you may have like a 30 to 40 pip move on it in the next couple of days, but nothing too aggressive as the week progresses. Looking at the GBP USD, we're trading at 154. We got a little bit stronger against the dollar, and then now we bounced. We're making like this double top here. Is this resistance level, or are we going to turn around back into this 158 level? We have to keep it on the radar. I believe we're going to sideways trade. We're going to maybe test this 146 level again, but do keep it on your radar, especially with today's number coming out. Looking at oil, not much going on. $59 a barrel, as we see here, but nothing really, no big changes yet for the price of oil. Looking at gold, gold has been really been flat on the lower end of the range, trading at 1176, 1187-ish. We're right now at 1187. So to buy a little bit, maybe for the couple of days, just to play a few dollar move, might be something that you look into, but there's nothing concrete. Okay, there's nothing that is bouncing by me right now. The only thing I really like is looking at the Dow Jones and keeping an eye on it and seeing how it's going to go. Also looking at the GBP USD and maybe a possible bounce in the Euro USD. Looking at the CAD also, we've been trading nicely with the CAD all in all throughout this session. And we've sold off a little bit. It got a little bit stronger, holding at 120. So I would say we're going to retest this 120 level again, but we're trading in this range. So just to buy a little bit, get involved a little bit here is not such a bad idea. But all in all, it's going to be a start of a quiet day. But I would expect a big turnaround in the Dow Jones, as May going into the summer. So I would like to see some sort of buying on the upside before the summer as things progress. This is Fred Razak at CMTrading. I want to wish everybody a great trading day.